Yeah man, welcome man. We are Jamaica, Sentence Bay, Windsor Road, Firewater.
As you can see, people from all over the world come at the little place here. Yeah man. Simple little place.
Oh, we know that fire, water comes around. It's our great-grandmother when she was 15 years old. She tried to burn away a wasp from a citrus tree was there. The fire dropped into the water and ignite it. She run and tell her parents that ghost is down there, the water is on fire. Parents tell her no, this is where the ancestors comes and get their healing whenever time they get wound. You got scientists came here from Italy, France, Germany, drilling this fire water 15,500 feet down, looking for oil and gas. They didn't find any. Takes them 3 years before they bring a manual come give us that it have 24 components of mineral, human friendly. Potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, zinc, fluoride, alkaline, saltpeter, sugar, you can name them. You get in that water also, it cure headache, backache, stress, saltness, allergies, sunburn, glaucoma, cataracts from the eyes. Any problem you have and get into fire water, it comes out rejuvenate. Because most of us brain don't explode certain way in our life, you know. So when somebody says something like that, probably they think it was gas we have down there, but no gas, it's natural. A natural thing comes in all different form, all different shapes.
Sadness, your stress. Come over fire water and come get really because them place you are blessing. Sometimes we there, you just feel like you want to get some wicked energy. We just going to go all and be there. Cooking the same way. So them place there is a natural mystic them place here. So everybody all over the world needs to come and them place here.
Well, let me hear you say mountain.